Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful diamond stitch. Actually, I'm making a blanket with it right now, and while I'm making this, I like to show this only stitch, so you can use it anywhere you want, like a beanie or maybe a cardigan. You don't have to watch this blanket video. You can watch only this video. And this time I will use this yarn, but it's not important. I just want to show you. And I will use a 4mm hook with it. It's not so hard to make, and I hope you will like it. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can start now. So for this stitch, we will need multiples of 4 and plus 3 only one time. Make a slip knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I made 20 chains plus 3 more. Then turn back and insert into the second chain. That's the first one. We will skip this. If you are using this stitch for a blanket, that means you can make a border and you can just insert into this stitch. But if you don't want to make a border, you can insert from this back bumps. Just turn your chains and use this back bumps. Make your single crochets till the end of the row. See you there. I complete the row, then chain 2, turn. Starting from this first stitch, we will make double crochets. Insert here, pull through, pull through. Put one double crochet into all the stitches you have. See you at the end again. I'm at the end. Put one last double crochet here. Chain 1 and turn. Now we will start to make these diamonds. We will give these diamond shapes. It's not hard as it looks. So now count 1, 2, 3 stitches from this first row. 1, 2. Around this third one, we will make a triple. Yarn over twice, we will make a front post triple. Insert your hook around this single crochet. Grab the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Now skip this first stitch because we made this triple instead of this one. Okay, skip this one. Make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice. We will turn back and make a triple around this same single crochet, but this time, and starting from here, we will make 2 triples together. Yarn over twice, turn back and around same stitch, same single crochet, 1, 2, pull through 2 times and leave it like that. I have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over twice, then skip 1, 2, 3. Around this 4th stitch, start to make a front post triple. 1, 2. Now I have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through. Skip this 1 stitch behind this one. Okay, skip only 1. Make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice, turn back around the same stitch. 1, 2, and leave it. Yarn over twice, skip 1, 2, 3 around the 4th single crochet. 1, 2, I have 3 loops on the hook again, complete them together. Skip this stitch. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice and keep repeating. 1, 2, skip 1, 2, 3. Skip 1. Skip only 1. Make 1, 2, 3 single crochets, and for here in the end we had 3 single crochets here from this first row and 2 stitches left here. Yarn over twice, turn back, make a triple this time, skip this 1 stitch and into the next, make a single crochet. Chain 2, turn and make double crochets for these second and 4th rows. We will make double crochets, just double crochets. Complete your double crochets, see at the end. I complete double crochets, chain 1 and turn. This time, first I will make 2 single crochets. And I will directly start with 2 triples together. Yarn over twice, and starting from here we know exactly where we insert our hook, and it's easy now. Just insert here, 1, 2, yarn over twice and insert around this stitch. Okay, don't take only one triples, take both of them. 1, 2, and complete. Skip one stitch, put 3 single crochets, yarn over twice, turn back, make a triple, yarn over twice, make half of a triple. Again, I have 2 halves. Close them together, skip 1, make 1, 2, 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 1, 2, complete. Skip 1, make 3 single crochets. One, 2, 3. Now I'm making the last one. 1, 2, and around this, make a half again, complete them together, skip this stitch. You will have 3 more stitches left. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, turn and make double crochets. Starting from here, we will just repeat these 4 rows. As you know, we don't have any stitch here. We are directly starting with triples. Chain 1, make your triple and keep going. At the end, you will have 1 more stitch. You're making 1 more single crochet into this stitch. Then make double crochets, and for the 3rd row, we are starting with 2 single crochets, then 2 triples together, and finishing with 2 triples together, then 3 single crochets. Okay, that's only important thing you must be careful about, and it's easy, as you see. I hope you like this stitch and this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin Crochet is my Instagram address and it's also my Pinterest and website address too. You can find my written patterns on my website address. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.